Galaxy Z Fold is here. It's the newest large form foldable phone from Samsung, replacing Fold 3 from the last year. It retains the book-style folding format of its predecessor. I would say it's a marginal upgrade from the last year Fold 3, with some new additions like slimmer bezels and brighter display. Also, the 6.2-inch cover display is more wider now, and as expected, some camera improvements. But unfortunately, no changes in the folding crease. Is similar to the last year Fold 3. It comes in 4 colors: grey, green, phantom black, beige and burgundy. In this video, let's take a look at the color comparison and find out which one is best for you. So let's start the video, but before I start, this is by far my favorite color. It's a very unique color, has shades of blue, green and grey. I really like this new color. When open, it's a 7.6-inch 120Hz AMOLED display, which is a joy to use, and also the large screen is its main highlight. It's a perfect phone for multitasking and media consumption. Beige is more like gold color, definitely an eye-catcher and feels premium. Kudos to Samsung for bringing yet another winner in Galaxy Fold 4. An ideal phone for business-minded people and also those who loves new tech, as it has an S Pen, you definitely cannot go wrong with Phantom Black, as it's a classic color but nothing new, as we have seen this color before. But still, if you are looking for a classic jet which is only available online and I couldn't see it in the store. It's definitely a great color addition. It definitely looks lighter than the Galaxy S22 Ultra dark burgundy color option. So guys, which color you think is the best? Please write me in the comments below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.